Well, the Energy Department has embarked on a national program to popularize maths and science. Now, a week-long Learner Focus Week has been organized in the Northern Cape, to help introduce learners to opportunities available in the sector. Let's now take a look at this insert.
The Learners Focus Week is the Department of Energy's flagship program, where learners from disadvantaged backgrounds and rural communities are being encouraged to study mathematics and science and have knowledge of various opportunities in the energy sector.
More importantly as well is the fact that in the whole African continent, energy poverty is a big challenge, and most countries are also considering and in fact investing in infrastructure in the energy space. So it is a demand in South Africa, in the Southern African region, in the African continent at large, and growing those skills and talents to be able to supply the required skills is critical.
This gives learners an opportunity to display their creativity and scientific inclination.
The name of our project is called the Northern Cape Mechanical Electricity Maker, and it is generally producing electricity. We used a dynamo and a wheel so that the generator inside the dynamo can turn so that we can use it to light the house.
Our project is investigating whether or not the plant Helichrysum petulare, or Impepo, commonly known in the Xhosa tradition, can be used as a biomass. We did this project because we found that South Africa is a country that relies on hydrocarbons and fossil fuels, and they are non-renewable sources.
Some of the projects took less than a month to complete. Learners want to use their scientific experiments to solve problems in their communities.
The name of our project is the Self-Sustainable Hybrid Car. And the reason why we came with this project is because we realized the carbon emission caused by the exhaust of the car fumes in our atmosphere, and it's depleting our ozone layer.
This project, we used buckets and tins in order to solve the problem that we have identified in our community of having a low electricity supply. So with these tins, we are able to save electricity using polystyrene to cook food for a longer period of time.
This project right here, it uses solar panels to harvest solar energy and convert it into chemical potential energy, and stores it within the battery that is inside and installed within it. So the aim of our project, it is actually to improve the lives of South Africans or everybody globally.
The department says energy is at the top of all investments in the country, and South Africa is going to spend a substantial amount of money in investing in energy infrastructure. Skilled people will be required to support the growth in the sector. Refilo Khaishwe, SABC News, Kimberley.